In this tutorial, we will see that how you can fix Instagram video selfie verification not working in just few steps. So for the first step, you have to open Play Store and search for Instagram and make sure you are using updated version of Instagram. Sometimes bugs are fixed in new releases. For the second step, you have to check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for verification. You have to switch to a strong Wi-Fi network. If needed, restart your router or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. And for the third step, what you can do is from this Instagram, keep tap on that and here it will show you this eye icon. Click on that and open storage usage from here and clear its cache. This can help resolve any temporary glitches. After doing it, now you can check Instagram video selfie verification is working or not. If it's still not working, what you can do is you can use a different device or camera, or you can also reinstall the Instagram app. This can sometimes reset any problematic settings or files. So these were the fixes to fix Instagram video selfie verification not working in just few easy steps.